let's wash my squishies because they're getting a little dirty. Okay, first I'm gonna like show you what I have because like all these. So first we have this duck from like Walmart, I believe. It's not Nita. The face is kind of ripping off, but that's okay. Then I got these. These are Nito. These are all like puppies. They're super cute. Really good. I think I got these from Target. This I think I got this. It's not a Nito. It's like an off-brand, but whatever. Can't remember where I got this, but got it from like VidCon or something. I don't know. I'm wearing my VidCon shirt right now. Perfect. Buddy, all the signatures. Okay. Anyway. Then we have, this is also Nita, this blue spot, which is really good. I actually really like it. And this, I don't even know what brand this is, but I got it at Target. It's actually really good. It has like it almost reminds me of the Epcot ball. Yeah, like the texture is really good. And it's just like hard, but it's like a good hard. So yeah, we're gonna be washing all of these. So yeah, let's wash them. Okay, starting with the duck, I'm just gonna so, well, hold on. I'm gonna fill up the sink and then, yeah, we'll have some music all we want to do that. So, be right back. Washing the duck. It's currently like sitting in the water right now, and I'm gonna go get a towel because I kind of forgot to get a towel for all of them. So I'm gonna go upstairs and get a towel. So you guys are gonna come with me. So let's go. It's currently on my floor right now. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take our clean duck and I'm just gonna put him on the towel and just to like dry off and stuff. Okay, this water is so dirty. I'm not gonna show you that because it's kind of gross, but yeah. And now I think I'm gonna wash all of these little ones because they're like the same squishy, so we're gonna put them together. And then I'll see you when I'm washing them. Now we're gonna put the squishies on the towel, so let's go do that. Okay, now I'm draining the old water, and then now I think next we're gonna do, I'm gonna do these. Oh, wait, hold on, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna do all of these together just to speed up the process. has. So now I'm just gonna wash this sink a little bit, and then we'll put all of them in. So yeah, see you guys in a second. So I'm just gonna kind of fold up the towel, kind of just like squeeze them like this, and then put them like this. I'm just kind of drying them off. We'll put that on top of the duck. Okay, and then I think they're all done. So now let me show them to you. Okay, so here they are. They're very clean now. So here's the Nido Nice Cute. Well, it's not actually Nido, but then this, whatever this thing is, the Sploot Splat. Little three little, like the cat thing images. And then, personally, my favorite, the duck, which is really good. So, yeah, bye!